Hi there, here's another transport update, and it's about a free service. Free Dr.Bike servicing will be returning this week to Hounslow. We are witnessing a huge increase in the uptake of cycling all over the borough, and that is terrific. I recognise that most of our cycling shops are still not offering a full service to their customers. It means that anyone with immediate bike problems can get them sorted through this scheme. The checkups are absolutely free, and they will only charge for parts that are necessary after a full estimate has been given. The other good news is that there is no complicated online booking system required. Cyclists just need to turn up at the designated locations at one of the 2 hourly slots. And if this service proves popular, we will look at putting more of these Dr. Bike sessions throughout the summer. And as you increase cycling, we will support you. Thank you very much.